towering with unmatched presence and engineered for sheer dominance. The ** 2025 Scania R999 ** is a mechanical marvel that pushes the boundaries of what a heavy-duty truck can be. Built not just to transport but to inspire, this flagship model from Scania isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. With its bold design language, advanced powertrain, and a cabin tailored for ultimate comfort, the R999 brings performance and luxury together in one aggressive, unmistakable silhouette, immediately turning heads on any highway it graces. Beneath its sculpted exterior lies an engineering masterpiece, of V8 powertrain that delivers a 770 horsepower and a torque output peaking at 3,700 Nm, 2,730 pounds-ft. This makes the 2025 R999 one of the most powerful, road-legal production trucks ever built. Paired with Scania's OptiCruise automated gearbox, the R999 ensures seamless gear transitions that enhance efficiency, reduce driver fatigue, and provide smooth control even under maximum load. Its smart integrated systems optimize fuel consumption while keeping emissions low. In line with Euro 6 regulations, the advanced cooling architecture, low-drag bodywork, and weight distribution have all been fine-tuned for long-haul excellence across Europe and beyond. When compared to its siblings in the Scania, the R999 is on a league of its own. While models like the R650 and R730 offer excellent performance and comfort, the R999 exists purely to demonstrate the peak of what Scania can offer. It surpasses them not only in power, but in visual identity and cab comfort. Inside the R999, drivers are greeted with high-end materials, premium leather upholstery, digital instrument panels, ambient lighting, and a suite of intelligent driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and real-time telematics, all designed for a safer, smoother journey. When held against rivals like the Volvo F16 or Mercedes-Benz Actros, the R999 feels like a show. Historically, Scania has always been a symbol of durable, powerful, and elegantly engineered European trucks. The R-Series in particular has held legendary status among long-haul drivers and fleet operators for decades. The R999 builds upon that reputation by becoming the boldest statement Scania has ever made in production form. While it's partially inspired by show truck concepts and enthusiast builds, its practicality and road legal compliance prove it's more than just a flashy idea, it's a functional powerhouse. Looking toward the future, the R999 may also serve as a bridge between Scania's heritage and its electrified destiny. Though a diesel giant today, its platform hints at the modular adaptability Scania envisions for hybrid or fully electric power. The R999, then, is not just a celebration of V8 glory, it's a bold, rolling preview of how Scania will blend legacy muscle with tomorrow's clean, smart transport.